Howdy, today I'd like to share some experience. I have Mudblazor .NET application that use Mudblazor as a user interface. Mudblazor has a built-in pagination that display a set of records like 10, 25 stranger at a time until all record has been displayed as I show in the here without hitting back the database. This Mudblazor user interface works really well with a set of small records. But in real life, we may have 1,000, 100,000 records, and sometimes millions records. And the more record, the longer it takes. So, like I have like 147,000 records. It takes a couple seconds to display. And this loading a big amount of record into an object will create a permanent issue. Sometimes slow down, timeout, or the worst is server hang. So I would like to share what I had before and what I have changed to overcome this performance issue. As a standard, we have the query to select, to search, select, and then when we run the query, it will return a set of record and I load into the object. And from the loading object, I'll return it and and then display on and go this return object and display it on the client using the Mudblazor. Right here. So let me roll back the code that that I make change to overcome this. So this is what I changed. The first thing is I will select 10 records at a time in the query. By doing this, send to the temp table and select the total record count and only select 10 records at a time using the page, life support to page number 1 or page number 2, and how many rows per page. It only select a set of record, and I load after execute that, I load it back to the total count and the record into the an object that have the overpayment. The overpayment is this record to display and the total count. So and return it. So here's the object. Does have total count and object I want to load it to, and after that it will return it back. And I load it to my object to display. and the total count, total row right here. So this is where I load it back, and the total row right here. And the most important thing for the Mudblazor to work is I have to set up using Mudblazor pagination. I have to set up the page number and total count, the count right here, so that it can set up the page number correctly. So let's run this to see how the difference between those. So now it's build and compile. So let me run this one. Small set. It's returned 43 record only, so I set it to 30 record at a time. So let me run the big number. So it returned 147 records. Take millisecond. And I display 30 records at a time. So you can see it paged really fast. It hit back to database and get the total record out, and only display the set record I want to display. So if you see this is helpful, please like so that I know. Please contact me if you have any question. Email in the below. Thanks.